Hacker 7 here. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to set up alerts on Kik. So first things first, we're going to be using this website called Botrix, and you could go ahead and sign in with one of these platforms. So once you've signed in with Twitch or so on, you need to sign in with Kik as well. So let's put our username here and accept. All right, so please give the role of moderator to Botrix. So we're now in our Kik's creator dashboard, and let's add a new moderator. So Botrix. All right, so the moderator has been added. So let's go back over here. And as you can see, let's open this in a new tab and click on, well, let's copy this first. Click on, paste it in the chat. And it has been successfully linked. So once you've done that, it's pretty simple. Go back to Botrix, then click on alerts up here. Now you could set it for different options, so subscription, gift sub, followers, raid, and so on. So let's set it for followers, and you need to set active alert here. You could set it for the duration, you could set the sound, the picture, the volume, so on and so forth. Now, once you're done, you could save the settings. And in order to add it to your streaming software, you could copy this URL. And as you can see here in red, do not share this link with anyone. So once you're satisfied, you could click on Save Settings. And the settings has been saved. And let's reduce. Let's go into OBS. So if you're using OBS, you could, on the sources, you click on the plus, browser, and paste the link. Click on OK. Now let's just click on OK for now. We could add it wherever we want. Let's minimize. So we could actually do a little test here. Let's set a test. Now this is because we haven't set any GIF. We didn't set any image or anything, so that's why it's looking like that. And we're also screen recording. So that is basically how you'd go ahead and set alerts. You could use the URL and add it to your streaming software. So thank you for watching. Hope this video was informative. Hacker 7 out.